morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are up bright and early because I've got places to be all day long. So I knew I wanted to test out my bright orange look and I figured why not do it today and film it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, getting this bright orange look. So if you want to see how I got this orange bright look, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm using that 1-1 Skin that I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm just going to put a little bit on my face. And then I'm going to take my Glassy Skin Balm, using this as a primer. It is like really early. I never film this early, but I'm trying to talk like a little quiet because Jared's still sleeping. Now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is for normal to oily skin, and this is in the shade Toffee Caramel. Dab it all on my face. I'm like still in my pajamas. I may have got a little too much. Maybe I should have shaved this morning. Alright, next for concealer, going in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is my fave stuff ever. A little goes such a very long way, so you have to be very generous. And this also does dry fairly quickly, so you have to work fast. I'm just spray my beauty blender and buff it out. Okay, to set that, I'm gonna go in with the Everyday Vacay setting powder with a little sponge. I'm just gonna go set where I put the concealer. I'm gonna be outside basically all day today. Little surprise barbecue party we're going to, and then we also have a couples shower that we're going to. So yeah, I'm gonna be outside in the heat all day, so I really want to make sure that my makeup is set so when I'm sweating it's not running down with my sweat. Okay, now that our makeup is set, I'm gonna go in and bronze out my face. I'm gonna do my favorite right now. I have a feeling that I'm gonna have a new favorite in probably a week or so. I ordered the BH Cosmetics Waffle Highlight and Contour Palette, and I literally have never been more excited for a product. Like, I cannot wait for that to come in. It's what I live for. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow To Go, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Chisel right here. I'm just taking a face round brush and just contour out my face. Now I'm going to take a littler brush and contour out my nose. Then I'm just going to take that beauty blender, or not beauty blender, beauty sponge, and just go over it a little bit to blur it all together. And then just going to buff it out just to make sure everything blends together well and there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to go back in with the beauty sponge and my setting powder. Not a whole lot. I just want to clean up my contour to make it really pop, I guess. I don't really know. I definitely should have shaved. This is disgusting. Now I'm gonna go in with a big powder brush and I'm just gonna kind of set the whole rest of my face because again, ain't no sweat ruining my day. And I really want to like make sure I set like my neck because I don't want it to be rubbing off on my clothes and stuff. I'm gonna move right into the Rimmel London Maxi Blush. This is like my favorite brush. It's just such a pretty shade and it's very like summery, but I'm going for today. Just going to place that but kind of right on top of where I contoured or bronzed. And for highlight, I'm going back into the Tarteist palette and I'm going to go in with the top shade Gleam. One of the best highlighters that I've ever used. And I can't get enough of it. If you know me, I'd highlight my whole face. Just blinding. Moving right along. Brows are did. For my brows, I used the LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil. This is literally like $1 or $2 and it's my favorite brow pencil. And then I went over it with the Tarte Busy Gal brows to kind of set them. So moving on to eyes now. I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette and also the Hello Charmer BoxyCharm palette. And by the title of this video, I'm sure you can tell that I'm going for like an orangey summery look. Never done this before, but I've wanted to forever, so wish me luck. So to start off, I'm going to go in with this Sunset Rose color and just do the crease of my eye for a transition shade. I'm gonna be doing like, I'm not sure what you call this, like a halo? I don't know terminology. Next, I'm going in with the Crimson shade. I think I've used this before and it's not very bright at first. You have to like build it, but I'm literally just gonna place that like all over my lid. It's pretty bright, but I want it a lot brighter than this. You don't have to worry about being perfect because we will blend it out. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm not really the color eyeshadow gal, but I've just been seeing orange shadows in the summertime everywhere and I love it. I've kind of got my inspiration for this from Juicy Jazz. I'll put a picture right here so you can see how beautiful it looks. And yeah, I just wanted to try it. Now I'm just gonna get a little tinier brush, a more precise brush, and really pack this on there because I want it bright. I'm gonna go back in with that Sunset Rose color and just blend all my edges out. You don't want them looking just like a harsh line. Just look at the difference. Blended, not blended. It's still a little more pinky than what I want. Like I want bright orange, but these are the only shades I have, so. And then gonna take that one again and still sticking with the Crimson color. Going to do the lower lash line, connect it. I really hope I don't look like a clown. Okay, moving to the Hello Charmer palette, I'm gonna take this shade Swipe Up. It's like the glitteriest orange glitter ever. And I'm just gonna pop that right in the center of my lid. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I feel like it's so dark where I'm filming today, but whatever. Next, with a tiny little brush, I'm going to take the shade Pop Up right here and do the inner corner of my eye. Maybe I'll just use my finger, I don't know. Now I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and then I'll be back again. All right, so lashes are on. They're not perfect. I literally hate putting on lashes these days. These are the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker in the style 663. Next, we're gonna go in with the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner and go on our lower lash line to really just make this orange pop. And now I'm just going to go in with some mascara. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara and blend the top and then do the bottom as well. Stop! Okay, and then for lips, I think I'm gonna just, I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm gonna go in with my old Bombshell lipstick, or chapstick. Get it nice and smooth. And then going with the Becca Glow Gloss Brilliant in the shade Chocolate Geode? I don't know how to say that. It just gives it a little color and then a little shine, and the color wears very fast, so it's just like a shine the rest of the day, which I love. And then last but not least, going in with the Siete London Everyday Vacay and just set our face one more time. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I love it, but I just wish it was more orange. Like I still feel like it's a little more on the pink orange side, and I just want it to be like bam, bright orange, like an orange. So if you do this look, let me know. I want to see it on you, see how you guys did, and hopefully you can get a little more orange than I did if that's what you want. But yeah, I'd love to see it. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what you want to see next. If there's another summer color that you guys are wanting to see, then let me know. I'm always down for testing new things out and playing. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Still got corona from my last video. Rounded, flat brush. That makes a whole lot of sense. Nah. I need my nose to stop running. And then, ooh.